Your body digested your last meal without you thinking about it. It's healing cuts, fighting infections, and balancing hormones right now as you watch this. What if I told you this isn't just automatic function, but genuine intelligence? By the end of this video, you'll understand how your body thinks in its own way and why learning its language could change everything about how you live. Consider what happens when you eat. Before food even reaches your stomach, acid production begins, just from the smell and sight of your meal. Enzymes appear in perfect sequence. Your body identifies nutrients, separates waste, opens specific channels for different substances. You didn't decide any of this. Something else did. Your body contains machinery that thinks, though not in words like we do. It anticipates, prepares, makes thousands of decisions every moment without your conscious input. But here's where it gets interesting. Your body is constantly trying to communicate with you. Pain isn't your enemy, it's information. Hunger signals that your digestive fire is ready. Fatigue means resources need replenishment. There are subtler signals too. The quiet sense of what your body actually wants to eat before your mind intervenes with rules. The felt knowledge of when to stop eating before you're uncomfortably full. Your nervous system speaks through tension patterns. Your sleep intelligence communicates through natural rhythms of tiredness and alertness. The question isn't whether your body communicates, it's whether you're listening. Most of us have stopped listening for 3 reasons. First, thinking about your body isn't the same as feeling it. We spend our days in analytical mode, creating a buffer between awareness and sensation. Second, the body stores what's happened to it. For many, approaching direct bodily experience means approaching accumulated difficulty. Withdrawal from embodiment often began as intelligent protection. Third, our culture frames bodily signals as obstacles to overcome. Fatigue gets answered with caffeine. Hunger gets postponed for meetings. The body becomes a resource to extract from, not a partner to work with. Early signals ignored become late symptoms. This is how imbalance progresses into illness. But the connection can be rebuilt. Your capacity to read internal states responds to practice, like any perception. Start with the signals that still break through: hunger, tiredness, temperature. Notice them before reaching for automatic responses. What is your body actually asking for? From there, attention can move to subtler communications. The quality of energy at different times of day. Your felt response to different foods. Your body's natural rhythms of waking and sleeping. Here's the essence. Your body evolved over millions of years to know how to live. It carries wisdom about what nourishes and what depletes, what to approach and what to avoid. This intelligence isn't perfect, but it knows far more than we usually credit it with. The body speaks constantly, through sensation, through symptom, through subtle inclination and obvious discomfort. It speaks through the whole felt sense of being embodied in this particular form. The question isn't whether to listen to your body's intelligence. The question is when you'll begin. Take a moment right now to notice what your body is telling you. What signal have you been overriding? Trust that it has something worth hearing.